usually fairly frightening.
I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hey, how's it going? And today I'm going to be driving my twin engine Suicide MX3. I'm going to be testing out the front engine, making sure it's not over boosting and making sure it's running properly, and then I'll be ready for a twin engine rip, finally. Okay, here we go. I'm just cruising. I've only got the front engine running. I'm just warming it up, making sure everything's okay. So far, everything is A-okay. Here I'm just quick tuning, touching up the fuel maps and making sure everything's good to go. Nice! It's running pretty good. I did go over 10% throttle. I just kind of gave it a little tug, went up to 5 pounds, let off. Let the heat get into those heads of a pull from second gear. Pulling hard. Altered a few things in the map. Alright, I got a data log going. Woo! Yes! The front engine is back! Yes! It's running really good. It went up to 10 pounds and held 10 pounds. Okay, I'm gonna give her a tug. Yes! We roasted the fronts. This thing is running awesome. So I'm really glad that I've got the front engine working good again, because it's been giving me so much trouble, as you all know. Alright, I'm gonna give her one more tug and that's it. I just want to triple check everything is running good. I did see 12 pounds of boost. That is okay, because once the engines are sharing the load, it's not going to have as much load on the actual front wheels. So I'm going to give her one more tug, and then I'm going to start them both up and give her a rip. Oh yeah, roasting the tires right from 4,000 up. Okay, I got them both running, and here we go. And it was so fast. Oh my god. racing. And I am so stoked. That was without launch control, guys. Just listen to it. Much faster there because I started in second and I let the boost build up a bit before I matted it. So it's got more in it, and literally I am speechless. That scared the crap out of me. I even hit 5th gear. That was the first full rip with 5th gear, both engines running sick. Woo! This thing is wild. This thing is wild, man. Oh my god, all that work, and it works. It works great. Can't believe it. Built engine in the back, bone stock Zeddy in the front. Rips. 9-second car, 100%. That is an insanely fast car. Once I built boost, like I literally just crept off the line and then just rid all the gears. Like if I built boost at the line, it would be gone. Oh man, literally I was just like, I just needed a splurge drive because I fixed it. I'm like, oh yeah, all it needs is a fuel pump. Put a fuel pump in it, made sure everything was good. The wastegate spring I have in there is perfect. It runs 10 pounds. It spikes to 12 and then goes right back down to 10. So that spring that I've got in there is working perfect for this front engine. So this is great. These slicks are great. I'm not even kidding you. They did not spin at all when both were running. The funny thing is that when both engines are running, the mass is shared. So say this car weighs 2,500 pounds. Each engine is pushing 1,250 pounds. But on the launch, a lot more is going to the rear because of the huge amount of weight transfer. But that can be altered with having a stiffer rear end and suspension setup. Suspension is very important. I'm obviously gonna dial that in. But like I said, since the weight is shared, it doesn't have all that mass. Like say a built Honda Civic, 700 horse, and you mat it. The tires are gonna break loose because you need so much actual contact patch to hold that power down to the ground. On this car, each wheel has about 200 horse and it's holding. That is definitely 100%. It's holding. It went straight-ish. Honestly, I said it went straight, but it went straight enough to stay in it until the red line. Another thing, these tires are very, very tall. These are over 26 inches in height. So my top speed is very, very, very fast compared to the old setup. And in 4th gear, I was running like just over 100 miles an hour, red line in 4th gear. And now I've got way more than that. I've literally got like 3 more inches of tire here, and they expand as the tire has more mass and more speed because they're such a soft tire. This at 100 miles an hour will grow. That's what slicks do. So this is looking sick. I am so happy. I have been needing this for so long. Like I've literally been going at this for 2 years, and that's what I wanted to feel. I wanted to feel scared. I wanted to feel in control. So I had the 2 things, scared, in control, fast. I just added the 3rd because. But yeah, this thing is wild. All right, guys, so I'm very happy. Obviously, this is a moment I will never forget when it finally works. It worked. 5th gear worked even. Everything is working right now, which is sick. So if you don't mind, like this on Facebook, YouTube, share this as much as you can. Help me get to where I want to be being a full-time YouTuber. That would really, really help me out, and I would greatly appreciate it. So we'll see you in the next one. Like, comment, and subscribe, and share. and we'll see you in the next drift video. Later. This is usually fairly frightening.
I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.